So today I'm going to show you how to make this line here. Sometimes some crocheters find this annoying because you like your project to be perfect. So if you don't like to see this one, then there's a solution to that. You can turn it into like this one, in which the line is how do you do that? Now in this project that I've worked before, I started with a magic circle and then chain 3, and after I chain 3 I work 11 more double crochets in the magic ring, and then I slip stitch on top of the beginning third chain. Now on the second round I did the same thing. I always start with chain 3 and then ended the round slip stitching on the beginning third chain. Alright, now the difference is when I did this, I started with the magic ring and then I chained 2, but chain 2 doesn't count as a stitch. It doesn't count anything on every round. You're just going to work 12 more double crochets in the ring. After that, at the end of the round, you're going to slip stitch on top of the first double crochet that you made, and that is what you're gonna do when you reach the second round, in which you're gonna chain 2, and then in the same stitch you will work 1 double crochet, and then in the next stitch, well, this is the second round, so there should be 2 double crochets in every stitch for a total of 24 double crochets. So in the first stitch I chained 2 and then work 2 more double crochets. Now remember, I told you that chain 2 doesn't count as a stitch. You're just going to add it, and then the next round you're going to work chain 2 as a starting round, and then 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and then 2 double crochets in the same. So this pattern would make a circle. So as you progress to the next round, you're simply going to work an additional 1 double crochet, and then on the third chain it will be the increased 2 double crochets, and so on. So if you'd like the line, just like here, to be less visible, you can work a chain 2 for every starting round, and this will not count as a stitch. So that's it. Thank you.